Introducing the all-new Isuzu D-MAX. Isuzu has been building some of the world's finest commercial vehicles for over a century, with Isuzu's first passenger car-like ute dating back to 1963, the Isuzu Wasp. The third-generation Isuzu D-MAX is a seventh ute designed, engineered and built by the iconic Japanese auto brand.
私たちはIsuzuを愛してくださっているすべてのお客様のライフスタイルを豊かにする、そんな車を長年夢見て開発してまいりました。その夢の実現を目指し、Beyond the Pickup Truck、これまでのピックアップを超える車、そんな車を目指してデザイン開発をスタートしました。次世代に継承するIsuzuらしさ、つまり燃費、安全性、居住性といった基本性能を踏まえた上で、ボールド、エモーショナル、スマートをテーマに、時代の進化を先取りするスタイルを取り入れています。エクステリアはボールドバットエモーショナルをコンセプトに、力強さ、重量感を持ちながら同時に躍動感、スピード感を感じる革新的なデザインにまとめ上げました。
Despite its bold and imposing exterior, the all-new D-MAX's design has continued to push the boundaries of aerodynamics. Minimal wind resistance has been achieved via comprehensive testing at the Japan Railway Technical Research Institute, where the bullet train is developed. Features include a sculpted concave roof centre, a seamless transition between cabin and rear tub, and optimise airflow across the tailgate. The result is minimal wind noise and reduced drag. Behind the D-MAX's streamlined exterior lies a stylish, richly appointed and technologically advanced cabin.
インテリアはボードバットスマートをコンセプトに、横基調により幅広感を強調し、そこにシャープなエッジとレイヤー感を加えて、さらに素材にとことんこだわることで、従来のピックアップトラックを超えたラグジュアリーで快適な室内空間を両立しています。
Inside, the all-new D-MAX is roomier, quieter with less vibration, and finished with leather accents available for an even more tactile confirmation of quality. A smaller, sportier steering wheel offers tilt and telescopic adjustment, while a short-throw gear lever in the manual D-MAX gives more palpable everyday driving engagement. An increased focus on ergonomics means it's never been simpler to find the perfect driver's position. On the X-Terrain, there's an 8-way adjustable electric driver's seat, plus powered lumbar support on both LSU and X-Terrain models. Standard in LSU and X-Terrain models, dual-zone air conditioning lets each front seat occupant select their preferred temperature, while a fine particle HEPA cabin pollen filter cleans the air, and all crew cab models feature rear seat air vents. Every D-MAX features a large, customisable central infotainment touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the range, along with voice recognition, to keep you connected wherever you go. Nestled in the instrument cluster, a large 4.2-inch multi-information display gives the driver immediate access to a variety of information on a customisable display. A display that includes, for the first time, a digital speed reading. And then there's what you can't see. 8 interior speakers put you in the front row of the concert on every journey. While storage options abound, including a spacious glove box and space for a 1.5-litre bottle in every door. With carefully considered design and flawlessly integrated technology, the all-new D-MAX sets new benchmarks for Isuzu.
この新しいスタイルをまとった D-MAX が皆様の可能性を最大限に引き出し、ありとあらゆる夢とライフスタイルを叶えてくれるでしょう。
With over 26 million engines built to date, Isuzu is the world leader in diesel engineering. Built for Australian conditions, the new 3-litre turbo diesel engine in every D-MAX is both durable and refined, providing 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque.
Isuzu ディーゼルスーパーコモンレールの結晶として開発した新3リッターエンジンがクラス最高の馬力、トルクによって最高の走る喜びをもたらすでしょう。もちろん従来通りの圧倒的な低燃費性能、高い耐久信頼性を有しています。
The variable geometry system turbocharger constantly adjusts to achieve maximum air compression from low RPMs. The redesigned combustion chamber increases combustion efficiency that helps reduce emissions, which is further supported by a new fuel injection system that increases fuel injection pressure. While the steel timing chain increases reliability and the double scissor idler gear results in reduced engine and gear noise. Piston crowns and pins are coated with a special diamond-like carbon to improve durability.
いすゞの開発 DNA である一切の妥協を許さず、非常に負荷のかかった過酷な環境下で繰り返し行ったテストを合格していますので、自信を持ってお送りいたします。
Following rigorous testing to replicate the most arduous conditions, equivalent to 4 million kilometres during development, the third-generation D-MAX builds upon its predecessor's legendary reputation for reliability. The D-MAX's ability to push the boundaries of performance is never better exemplified than in its towing capability. With a 3.5-tonne brake towing capacity and trailer sway control as standard, no ute is better suited to Australian conditions. Trailer sway control monitors the D-MAX's load during towing. Should a caravan, boat or trailer become unruly, for example in high winds, it intervenes automatically, bringing the trailer back into line.
新たに作り出した Isuzu ダイナミックドライブプラットフォームは Isuzu エンジニアリングの H を集約し、フレーム、シャシ、エンジン、サスペンションを一新することで完璧な走行性を目指したものです。
The improved ladder chassis in the all-new D-MAX is more rigid, thanks to ultra-high tensile steel construction, larger side rails, and an added cross member. While independent double wishbone front suspension with higher mounting points improves ride comfort and handling, tempered 3-leaf rear suspension is both strong and flexible, all tested and tuned for Australian conditions. A superbly engineered, more sophisticated powertrain improves performance at almost every stage. The D-MAX offers you a choice of a 6-speed Revtronic automatic transmission with sequential sports mode, or a 6-speed manual transmission. The D-MAX is built to suit every driver. No matter the conditions, no matter the circumstances, no matter how corrugated the road, or whether there's no road at all. Whether on or off the beaten track, the D-MAX is up for the task. With generous steel underbody protection and increased weighting depth up to 800mm and rear diff lock as standard on all 4-wheel drive models for the first time, the D-MAX achieves new levels of off-road capability. More than ever before, it's the most reliable way to escape the everyday. Every 4x4 D-MAX features the improved terrain command as standard. This allows the driver to switch between 2-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive high modes at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. When the going gets tough, shifting from 4-wheel drive high to 4-wheel drive low has also been streamlined. Stop, put the vehicle into neutral and shift over, all done in less than a second, ensuring minimal fuss and maximum confidence. As utes become more mainstream family haulers, safety is more important than it's ever been. That's why every Isuzu D-MAX is rated to the maximum 5-star ANCAP safety rating, as tested by the toughest, most stringent criteria ever, the 2020 ANCAP testing standards. Each D-MAX is fitted with Isuzu's Intelligent Driver Assistance System, IDAS, which features an extensive list of both active and passive safety features. Using state-of-the-art sensors and a stereo camera, the D-MAX's suite of safety and driver assistance systems monitor the surrounding environment constantly. With autonomous emergency braking, the car will keep you safe and brake automatically if an obstacle is detected. Forward collision warning will alert the driver if an obstacle is detected, and if there is no intervention by the driver, AEB will be applied. With turn assist, when turning at intersections, AEB will activate if an obstacle is detected coming towards you while turning, preventing an accident. Lane Keep Assist will help to keep your vehicle in the middle of the lane whilst driving. Lane Departure Prevention will stop a driver from crossing a lane without their indicator being active. Lane Departure Warning will alert the driver if they appear to be crossing the lanes. Emergency lane keeping will activate if, while an indicator is on, the driver attempts to turn into an obstacle in their blind spot. If something is detected, the vehicle will not allow the driver to cross the lane. If the vehicle detects the driver to be moving in an unsafe manner, Driver Attention Assist will activate in an effort to make the driver pay attention long enough to find somewhere to rest. On auto transmission models, adaptive cruise control will automatically adapt your speed when slower vehicles are detected during your drive. After slowing as needed, your vehicle will speed up to the preset cruise control speed. Traffic sign recognition provides helpful information in the vehicle's smart multi-information display, letting you know when you pass new speed limits, stop signs, or other important markers. The intelligent speed limiter will work to adjust your speed to conform to differing speed limits whilst driving. Hill Start Assist automatically prevents rollback when starting on steep gradients above 5.7 degrees, while Hill Descent Control gives you maximum traction when travelling downhill. Blind spot monitoring will give you eyes in the back of your head and will alert you anytime an obstacle is in your blind spot. Rear Cross Traffic Alert monitors approaching vehicles when reversing from a parking space or driveway. Park with confidence with front and rear parking sensors on X-Terrain and rear park sensors on LSU models, with a reversing camera as standard on all models. Automatic windshield wipers will keep your vision clear, and the intuitive flat wiper blades on high-end models will spray water from the blades themselves so you can see clearly. The UV and IR cut windshield helps block infrared, UVA and UVB radiation, reducing the temperature in the cabin on hot Australian summer days. Radiation is absorbed and dispersed by a plastic interlayer within the glass, adding strength and functionality at the same time. LSU and X-Terrain models are fitted with rear combination lamps with double LEDs to boost visibility and safety, while up front, LED daytime running lights and ultra-bright bi-LED headlights are standard on the LS and X-Terrain range. Meanwhile, automatic headlights with high beam autonomously turn on or off as required without dazzling other drivers. Each D-MAX model includes 8 airbags as standard, which now includes a new centre airbag, the first time this technology has been seen in a ute. With the welcome light, the D-MAX X-Terrain will automatically turn on its interior lights once it detects the smart key within 2 metres of the vehicle. When leaving your vehicle, the D-MAX X-Terrain will secure itself automatically once you're 3 metres away thanks to the walk-away door lock feature. You'll never be lost in the dark with the coming home light, which comes standard across the range. After locking your vehicle, the D-MAX will keep its headlights on for a short period of time, lighting the path to your destination. The new D-MAX is Isuzu's most durable, most advanced and most refined model ever. Ruggedly bolder and more decisive, more power and torque. Connected, comfortable and packed with technology. Calmer and more mannered on-road. Commanding and even more capable off-road. Everything Isuzu has learned over a century of specialist engineering has led to this. The rugged, reliable and refined all-new Isuzu D-MAX. Go your own way.